In today's video, I'm about to show you how to get NordVPN on PlayStation 5. So this is super easy. First, what you need to do is simply head over to NordVPN official platform. As you can see, we have NordVPN over here and we have this features option. Then we have download NordVPN, and you can see if you head over to all apps section, we have it for everything, literally Windows. And to get it for your PlayStation, you can see, like I clicked, you need to simply select this other option, which is usually confused with. So before you download it, you can head over to the link in the description to download NordVPN and get 70% off. So why pay a lot of value once you get this discount? So head over to the link in the description to download it, and you are gonna be super happy with the results. So you can see, click on the others option and click on PlayStation, and once you do that, just hold on a bit. You can see we have buy NordVPN option for that. Of course, to uh, before you purchase it, you can click the link in the description below. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.